If you have products that are already for sale on eBay and want to sync them with their corresponding products in your online store catalog, you will need to go to the Link Existing Listings view. You can navigate to the Link Existing Listings view from the home screen or from the Settings view at any time and select the eBay sales channel that you will be linking your listings from. If you are new to selling on eBay and have not already listed any of your products on eBay, you will need to create new listings for all of your products that you wish to sell. Please skip ahead to the next video in this series. When you connect your eBay selling account, Codisto will use the information stored in your online store catalog to automatically match products in your store catalog with their corresponding products in your eBay account. Before your products can be synced, however, you will be required to review and confirm the automatic matches that Codisto has made. There are 3 types of matches that may appear in this view. High-confidence matches are those where Codisto has been able to find an exact match for your eBay products with their corresponding products in your store catalog using either their SKU codes or other product identifiers. If you have used the same SKUs or product identifiers when creating your products on eBay, these matches should be correct. Simply review and approve the matches and continue to the next match type. The next match type, medium confidence match, is where Codisto was unable to find an exact match using SKUs or product identifiers, but has been able to find a close match for your products based on the titles and SKUs in your store catalog and eBay account. Once you have reviewed and approved or corrected your matches, you can review all remaining products without an active match that you have listed on eBay previously, but which Codisto has not been able to match either by SKU code, product identifiers, or product title. Simply choose the matching products in your online store catalog for these products and confirm. After you have confirmed or updated your matches, you will need to choose your listing rules before you can link the products in your store catalog to your eBay products. Since the listing details may vary between your online store and your eBay listings, you will need to select whether you want Codisto to keep those existing values on your eBay listings or update them with new values based on the settings chosen in the listings view. For example, if the pricing values on your existing eBay listings are different to the ones in your online store catalog and you select Use eBay Settings, the prices on your existing eBay listings will remain unchanged. However, if you select Use Codisto Settings, your pricing values will be replaced with new values based on those in your store catalog and the settings you have selected for that field. Once you have reviewed your matches and selected your listing rules, you can view a summary of your matches before finalizing. Once they have been linked, your inventory, pricing, and product details will be synced in real time based on the settings you have chosen. If you wish to make further changes to your listings in the future, you can do so directly from the listings view using the modes in the listing view. In the next video, we will explore the process of creating new eBay listings for products you are not already selling on eBay.